Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you three different components to Google Vids that I really like, and I think we could utilize it in our classrooms. The first one we're going to take a look at is Veo3. So what I've done is I want to find a way to capture kids' attention about a topic which we're going to discuss, and it would be science. So I asked what would be a famous American, of course it had to do with science, and it came up, I used Gemini to help me, and came up with Benjamin Franklin. So long story short, I asked it to write a script for 8 seconds that would capture the attention of elementary students, specifically 5th grade. So I've done that, and I have pasted the script into Veo3. So now I'm going to click generate, and let's see what it creates. Alright, so it has created the video, so now let's take a look at just how well it turned out. So I'm going to click on insert, and we're going to hit play, and let's take a look.
Hey TikTok, it's Ben, out here flying a kite in a TH understorm because science. If this key starts buzzing, congratulations, I invented electricity. Hey TikTok.
Alright, not bad, but we noticed there are some issues with it in terms of the spelling. So we can take care of that and by simply going back into the script that we created, changing it, and then generate the video again. But I just think it's a great way to grab kids' attention based on what you're getting ready to teach. Maybe you can even do a bell ringer where it's a mystery question that they have to figure out. But again, it's just a way of grasping kids' attention and getting the class started for the learning. All right, let's take a look at another option that I really like with Google Vids. It's called AI Avatar. And so let's give this a try. We're going to click on it. Actually, I'm going to go into Google's, and we're going to create a new Google Vids. So I'm going to click on Start and AI Avatar. And what I like about this is you can have someone else do the speaking for you. You give them the script, and the AI avatar actually reads it out. So I'm going to move quick and show you how it works. You'll see at the bottom of my screen where I can change the avatar. So it gives me
the voice you select makes a difference in how viewers will respond to your video. It should fit your videos.
You can hover over them.
The voice you select makes a difference in
the voice you select makes a difference in how viewers
select Eric. We're going to pick him, and I'm just going to write a very quick script so you can see what it looks like. Alright, and let's preview it. It takes just a second.
Hello everyone. Welcome to AI for Kentucky Educators.
Alright. Now you'll notice when you look at it in the small screen that the lip movement or lip syncing is off, but once you generate it, it will improve significantly, and we'll simply upload this video into it, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so let's take a look at how our video turned out. We're going to click preview.
Hello everyone.
Right.
Welcome to AI for Kentucky Educators.
So we're good to go there. We're going to hit the play button.
Hello everyone. Welcome to AI for Kentucky Educators.
And you'll notice the lip sync was right on target. So this is a really cool way also that you can use avatars to introduce a topic that you're wanting to teach, or even part of a course that you create. Just a lot of different avenues that you could go, and eventually I think you'll be able to create your own avatars based upon maybe you take an image of your face and then you could have it look cartoonish, and it could actually create the avatar for you, and it's supposed to be getting to that as well. All right, let's take a look at one more thing, and I really like this one. It's called Convert Slides. So again, I'm going to open up a new Google Vids just to keep it nice and clean. And what we're going to do is upload a slideshow that we've created in Google Slides, and we're going to bring it to life. So you'll notice that when I click on turning slides to a video, it allows me to look at the Google Slides that I have. So what I'm going to do is simply pick one of these. I'll pick this one. I'll select, And what's going to happen is Google Vids is going to work to bring these slides to life. And you'll notice at the bottom you can choose to include an AI voiceover, script, and background music. If you don't want that, you would simply toggle this tab to off, but I do want the AI voiceover. So we're going to import all 10 slides. You don't have to. You can actually select the slides that you want, but I'm going to choose all 10 and I'm going to click import. Alright, so it is now uploaded my Google Slides. It now has voice as well as background music, which I'm going to play in just a second. But I want to show you something first. You'll notice that the slides were not exactly correctly formatted, but you can make changes in Google Vids. So for example, if I move this up, it's going to fix where the font is, and of course I can change the size of the font if I need to. That's the nice thing about this. Like, it allows you to make changes in Google Vids based on your slides. So now that I've done that, let's just play it and see what it sounds like.
Let's start by making sure you're in the right place. If you ever feel overwhelmed by your inbox, can't find documents in your Google Drive, or your computer sounds like it's about to take off, then this video is for you. This video focuses on time.
Great. Okay. Now here's the other good thing is we can change once again the voice if we need to, and the way to do that is you would click on the narration and you would click on the little AI voiceover tab, open it up, and you'll notice where it says narrator, smooth, medium pitch. You can click on change and then choose the voice that you're looking for, and once you've done that, click select, update, and I'll go ahead and do that. We'll do motivator, select, and play it first to see if we like it.
This video focuses on time-saving AI workflows.
So you can see the difference, but if I do not like it, then I simply would not click change and I would go back. Or I can continue to look at different voices if I want. But I just thought this was another great way to bring your presentations to life, and one of the things I thought it would be perfect for is when you upload this into your Google Classroom for students that need to hear the information I put in red to them. I thought that would be a perfect solution for it. So hopefully this is helpful, and you can see you can go a lot of different ways to use Google Vids, and we'll take a look at the other options a little bit later. And I think as Google Vids continues to grow and expand, it's going to become even more functional for us, tying into our instructional practices. So as always, thank you so much, and please send me any ideas that you have on how you're using Google Vids to improve student learning. Thank you.